Hello, my name is Klaus Beetz. I am involved in European programs since decades, I must say. I think I was first involved when I gave a talk at the product modeling conference in 1996 in Sofia Antipolis. And since then I was in touch or involved in European programs. I was many years in the board of Digital Europe. I was in the DG Connect Advisory Forum. I was involved in several public-private partnerships like Artemis, ITEA. I was in the steering board of the Eureka cluster, ITEA, European Technologies, Information Technologies for European Enhancement and so forth. The last years I had the honor and the pleasure to ramp up the manufacturing track under the umbrella of the European Innovation and Institute for Innovation and Technology, the EIT manufacturing. This was really a very, very interesting task to focusing on innovation, because especially when we look to manufacturing and industry, innovation is key for the transition towards a circular economy and for the decarbonization of industry, which are our main challenges, but we have to look at them not as challenges, rather as opportunities. There will be a market for green technologies, for remanufacturing, and Europe is in a unique position to become a leader for these technologies. Just take batteries. We are building all around Europe new battery plants. The raw materials that are needed for the batteries, lithium, cobalt, manganese, graphite, you name it, they are not available in Europe. So recycling of the batteries, reuse of the raw materials is a must. And this has to be taken into consideration when you engineer and design the batteries, as well as when you engineer and design the production line for the batteries, that the batteries can be hopefully fully automated, easily reassembled, and the raw materials can be taken out, that we came at least to some extent independent of the other parts of the world where we have otherwise to buy these raw materials. So innovation is key, and for me, research is to invest money to generate knowledge, and innovation is to generate money out of the knowledge. So at the end, what counts in innovation is really the money that is generated out of the knowledge. And really, we have to focus on innovation. Europe is really great in research with all the universities, with the research institutes. We have around also the research that is done by the industry. But that it really means research, development and innovation, R&D and I, and not R&D and die. There we have to focus on. Thank you.